So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to show you the easiest way to connect Notion with ChatGPT. Here we go. So what you want to do is navigate to your Notion workspace, and if you've duplicated this template, all the better. After having done that, and in your Notion workspace, you'll go to your workspace settings, which can be found right here. And then you'll go to your connections, and you'll need to scroll down till you see the Discover New Connections section. We will select this middle option here, Notion MCP, and of course we'll select the ChatGPT Pro option. We'll press connect. If you have ChatGPT in your browser, it'll fire it up and you'll have this pop up. Super easy. Press connect. It'll ask for a certain level of permissions, accessing your Notion workspace, and say, yep, I'm fine with that. It'll pull up your Notion, ask for a little bit more regarding which workspace you'd like to connect and some of the actions it'll be able to take. We'll go ahead and press continue. Give it a second to load, and boom, there we go. Notion is now connected to our ChatGPT account. So what's pretty cool about this, it can read all of the information within your Notion workspace. And for this use case, we will use our workout and food tracker to essentially create an AI fitness coach based on our goals, the workouts that we're currently doing, and our calorie intake. So before this, I went through the template gallery of Notion, tried to find a good workout food tracker template for y'all, and I'll tell you, they were all way too complicated. If we know we're going to be asking ChatGPT to analyze our workouts, to look at our daily calorie intake, this can be a very simple setup. As you can see here, even a better example, my workout from July 25th, focusing on strength training. And imagine, if you're in the gym, you've got your mobile device pulled up. It doesn't need to be this elaborate aesthetic structure. It can just be a simple notes fashion list of, okay, I bench press for 3 sets. First I did 95 pounds, 115 pounds, 125 pounds. Then I went on to shoulder press. I had 3 more sets. Bicep curls, tricep extensions, pull-ups. It can be as simple as this. Just make sure you're documenting your workouts, the weight you're lifting, and how many sets you're doing, as well as how long you worked out for. And if you'd like, you can add some of these other variables, such as the intensity. Be sure to check whether it was completed or not. That'll be very important to ChatGPT. And since one of my goals is to lose 10 pounds by September 1st, I'm also actively tracking my current weight on a daily basis. If I know I'm getting ready to work out, I'll just jump on the scale and go ahead and log my weight. Now here down below, we have calories. This is working off of our meals database. So when you start prepping your meals for the week, you know what you're going to be eating. Log them in this section. Give an estimate about how many calories, and it even breaks down further regarding protein, carbs, fats. More data for ChatGPT, the better. And then over here, it's super simple. We're using a relation and a roll-up property to say, hey, on this day, and make sure you date it, I had a grilled chicken breast, and I had some Greek yogurt for breakfast. As you select these meals that you were eating throughout the day, you will notice this column, our total calories, will update pulling from this table. So that plus tracking our workouts, plus giving some goals that we're tracking or aiming for is all the information that ChatGPT needs. Now, this is the really cool part. So I'm over here in ChatGPT. I've connected Notion, and I just have a simple prompt here where I say, hey, you're my AI fitness coach. Take a look at my Notion page, the workout and food tracker. Give me a weekly recap of my progress towards goals, and give me any suggestions that you may have that could help me reach those goals quicker. So now this will take a minute for it to analyze and come back with some good information, but it's off to the races. So let's give it a second and see what it comes up with. Okay, so now we've gotten a full weekly, let's say, progress report from our AI fitness coach. Let's go ahead and read through it and see what it told me. So goals recap, yep, it knows that I want to lose 10 pounds by September 1st, as well as reducing my waist size. It'll quickly summarize the workouts that I completed within the last week: morning run, upper body strength, yoga. and it'll identify a quick trend saying, hey, good success here. You actually dropped 3 pounds across the week. Now digging into the nutrition overview, it shows me the meals that were logged. It says these 2 logged items are clean, nutrition dense choices, nice balance of fats, fiber, and protein. However, no full day calorie totals were entered for Monday or Tuesday. So it noticed that those fields were blank, and that maybe we just need to put more information into our workout and food tracker. But it also spits out a nice progress scorecard. Um, as you can see right here, it says calorie tracking needs a little bit more work. Smart suggestions. This is really the most impactful part. So tracking total calories daily. Yep, we could see that theme developing. I need to be better about logging my meals to make sure I'm giving it the context and make sure that I'm not kind of cheating my own system and sneaking in a dessert that I didn't document. And it actually says, hey, how about you go ahead and add one more strength training session throughout the week, progressing well with upper body, but consider adding one more lower body strength workout in the upcoming week. Macro awareness, if fat loss is the goal, aim for higher protein intake. That's great feedback. Your Greek yogurt is a great start. Keep that up. That's awesome. Hydration and recovery, kind of a nice blanket suggestion. Yoga was a great move for recovery. Keep integrating one low intensity day per week to prevent burnout. So that's it. That's a really nice tailored scorecard based on our goals, our fitness goals, and the progress that we're making at the same time. So all in all, a really cool solution and a way to exemplify how easy it is to set up that connection between ChatGPT and Notion, and one of the cool use cases that you can get out of it afterwards. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll have something even cooler for you next week. Cheers.